Hi everyone, my name is Gerald Britton. Welcome to my course, the PostgreSQL Functions Playbook. I'm a Pluralsight author and database specialist, working on database design and development, among lots of other things. In this course, we're going to explore many of the built-in functions available with current PostgreSQL releases. While there won't be time to cover every function, there are hundreds of them. We'll cover important ones that you can use right away and point you to resources for some of the less frequently used functions. Some of the major topics that we will cover include ANSI standard SQL functions and PostgreSQL extensions, functions to use with specific data types, with special attention paid to converting between those types and text strings, functions that work across most data types, including window and aggregation functions, functions to limit result sets for efficient queries, and system information and administration functions. By the end of this course, you'll know a good set of important functions that you can use right away. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with writing queries in SQL in general and some knowledge of the PostgreSQL version of SQL. And by the time you complete this course, you should feel comfortable diving into other database topics with courses on writing your own functions in PostgreSQL, general database design, database performance monitoring and tuning. Well, I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the world of Postgres functions with the PostgreSQL Functions Playbook course here at Pluralsight.